going on with XRP? I have a crazy wild prediction to share with you guys. Gemini is strangely enough, they're posting this for themselves, meaning the intern patiently waiting for Gemini to list XRP from Gemini's account. It's kind of funny. If you're going to list, just list. Coinbase already relisted, right? A lot of major exchanges already relisted, so I'm not sure why Gemini is taking so long. I don't know. Maybe the New York Department of Financial Services is making it harder. I don't know, but they're teasing it. XRP has been a little stagnant recently, coming back down today, actually up pretty good. Their transaction count over 1 million daily. That's actually higher than Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Ethereum definitely has a lot of activity going on right now. And I know XRP Army wants to know, well, where is XRP heading? Right now, XRP is at 66 cents, which is pretty good. Close to back up to 70 cents. But I saw this. One analyst thinks that if it could break this one Fibonacci level, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci level, which is $1.30, so roughly double. If it can break through that, XRP can hit $21 by the end of 2025, which would be the end of the next parabolic run. So you do the math, $21 from 60 something cents right now. That's like 30x. That's like 35x. That's a lot. That's a lot. Can it happen? I don't know. That would throw XRP. Yeah, I don't know. That throw it into the trillions. So no, would it? No. Yeah, it would throw it into like over $1 trillion. So I don't know. I guess it could happen. But is it likely? I don't think so. But XRP Army does. And if you have a large group of individuals that think it can happen and continue to hold on DCA, maybe it will happen. So I'll leave it at that. Meme coin SHIB, which is up 8% today, climbing the ladder. Up about 15% this week, and overall up about 25% for the last month, which isn't too shabby. Just trails XRP. But why is SHIB going up? Okay, well, because Shibarium is coming. Okay, Shibarium validators are going live. The testnet has been stopped. This has been hyped up for many years. And in fact, next week, this will go live. Shitoshi Kusama, okay, who is kind of like the current lead developer, already said he's going to make an appearance in Toronto next week and announce this. So many people are very bullish on this, right? Shibarium, which is a layer 2. Layer 2 for all these new dApps to come aboard. Okay, so now they don't have to worry about high gas fees or congestion because SHIB is utilizing Ethereum, right? But now they have their own L2, and who knows? And then also Bone is going to be the gas token for Shibarium. So a lot of people are also looking into Bone as well. And recently, SHIB and Bone has some ties with Binance too. So that's the reason why SHIB has been doing well. Are they set to explode? I don't know. Maybe something else is going to be announced next week. But there's a lot of people eyeing this. A lot of people buying right now, right? Whales are accumulating trillions of SHIB. And just for kicks, I saw this. I was going to do this anyways, but I saw someone did it already. People have asked Bard, Google's AI system, how high will SHIB go? And according to them, or not them, according to the AI, the best guess is about 66% higher from today's price by the end of 2023. If it's just a moderate increase, about 33% higher. Now, I don't know if Bard knows how significant Shibarium is, so it's probably not taking that into account, but still, it's thinking that SHIB is going to go higher, right? So we'll see what happens with SHIB Inu. You have private equity giant, okay, Carlyle Group and its founder, David Rubenstein, now going all bullish on Bitcoin, okay? Now he's paying attention. As of the rest of Wall Street also, they're all paying attention. You know why? Because of Larry Fink and BlackRock. When BlackRock sets a sight on something, everyone is paying attention. So David is like, well, I should have bought it around $100 when I had a chance. But now everyone is watching because if BlackRock is involved, then of course we got to pay attention, right? That's basically what he's saying. If BlackRock is going to make a Bitcoin spot ETF, we and everyone else has to pay attention, right? So I can't imagine the FOMO once this actually does happen. Once we do get spot Bitcoin ETFs and BlackRock officially involved and others having their own Bitcoin spot ETF, how massive it's going to be, how much FOMO there will be from these guys, right? It's just going to be so massive. This morning, someone asked me about, well, what about all these other tokens that's deemed securities? Well, Bitstamp, which is one of the older exchanges, I don't know a lot of people that actually use Bitstamp, but they are suspending trading of all these major altcoins because they were deemed securities by the SEC. I don't know why they need to do it. I guess they just don't want to be sued at this point, or maybe they got a threatening letter, a Wells notice, but they're delisting Axie, Chili, Decentraland, Polygon, Near, Sandbox, Solana from their platform, okay? But, again, after the XRP ruling, they should feel a little bit better, and I doubt the SEC's go after them, considering they're going after Coinbase and Binance right now, so I don't know. They caved. Binance is going to offer services in El Salvador. Well, that's no surprise. El Salvador is so pro-crypto, or I should say pro-Bitcoin, but still no surprise. And lastly, I saw this, Hedera Network. I don't hear much about Hedera, but Hyundai and Kia, they're going to build some kind of emission monitoring system. That's going to be on Hedera's network. That's good. You hear a lot about manufacturers trying to get in, right? Storing ECU data or emission data or service history, utilizing a blockchain. All fantastic stuff.